Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, I want to first off say hello, welcome. I am Nisha and I hope you guys are here for today's video. And if so, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and of course click your notification bell as well. Even if you're already subscribed, y'all, click that notification bell. It is very important because YouTube will not alert you if you don't have it on. So yeah. And plus I do have an upload schedule so you guys can stay updated on that. It will be linked down at the bottom in the description box, and I'm supposed to upload at 5 p.m. but life be happening, okay? I be trying to aim for that, but sometimes I'm at 5, sometimes I'm late, but I try my best to be uploaded by 5 p.m. like yesterday. We're not gonna talk about yesterday. Today I'm on my way to work and I'm gonna do like a neutral, look. And y'all don't mind the hair. I found this old wig in my wig box because yeah, I'm running out of wigs to wear because they are being destroyed. So I gotta retouch this up because these curls are not even curls anymore. So I think I'm gonna either curl it back up or straighten it, but this synthetic wig is like, ooh, girl. So excuse the hair, we're gonna fix her up. But today, like I said, I'm gonna do a neutral look, just a quick little slay for work. And then I'm gonna try this new palette. Well, it's new to me, it's been out for a minute, but yes. So this is, I always pronounce this name incorrectly, BOLIVE, Beauty, I don't know. It's Makeup by Melissa is what I know her by. She's on IG and I think she's on YouTube as well, but she's a makeup artist, and y'all know when makeup artists make palettes, I feel like they really know what to do for the palettes, as in color story, because they're makeup artists, so they know what to expect to put in a palette. So yes, check Shorty out. Look at these colors. This whole row is screaming my name. This is really, really cute. It looks expensive. It looks sophisticated. It looks glam. I really love how this looks. So I'm gonna be trying this out for the first time today. I'm gonna prep my eyes really quick. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. and then JUVIAS shade 1, and then we're gonna jump right into this look. All right, so eyes is prepared for these beautiful eyeshadows. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is, I'm going to lean towards this one for my brow bone highlight. This one is called Sand. I'm just going to pop this. You know what? No, wait. Sand is too dark. Oh, well, I already dipped it in there, so. Oh, no, Sand is perfect. Okay, Sand. Just going to pop this right underneath my eyebrow. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this color. It's a nice orangey brown. So it appears to be an orangey brown. I love abbreviations that's inside these palettes. This is so cute. So I'm gonna take that and just sweep this right in my crease. So far these eyeshadows are very buttery. So like I said, makeup artists, they know what they want in their palette. The formula, the shade ranges, like, she did a good job. I pray she comes out with a colorful palette, because if she does, I'm jumping on that palette like ASAP. Like, these colors are so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this next shade right here. It's a nice rich brown. It's called Mocha. So I'm gonna take Mocha and I'm gonna go right underneath that orangey brown. So I'm putting it in the same placement. I'm just not gonna go as high as I did with that orange brown. Oh, this is a really good palette. I'm not even a fan of like neutral palettes, but when I see she came out with her own makeup palette, I was like, yep, I'm here for it. Because if y'all don't remember, she had a collaboration palette with Makeup by Yolanda. And if y'all don't remember, I was on that palette forever. Like the whole month of December, I think I only used that palette to achieve like multiple looks. So it was like a half version of this neutral palette. And then I had a mixture of her colorful eyeshadows too. So that palette was everything. Like, you could knock that. Like, it's everything. Okay, ooh, this is so pretty. So I'm gonna add a little bit of black. I just want to put that in the outer part of my crease area, just a little bit, because I do plan on cutting my crease. So I'm cutting my crease, so I do want to add a little bit more definition. I feel like it pops more when that crease is just like got so much going on. So I'm only gonna go halfway across with this black though, because it's such a rich black. I don't want it to overpower the look, so I'm just gonna put that in the outer part only. All right, and then I feel like I'm gonna go back and re-blend some of the other eyeshadows, and then I'm going to cut my crease off camera. Okay, so my crease is cut, and I just went in, just in case you guys are curious, I went in with my Juvia's shade 2 and a little bit of my Glam light icing. Those are like my favorite combos to create my cut crease. I'm going to definitely grab one of these colors. And I think the one that's grabbing my attention right now is this bronzy gold color right here. So pretty. I'm gonna apply it dry first to see. Oh, that didn't show up. You know what, wait, I don't think this is a good brush. I had this problem yesterday. Okay, do these need to be applied wet? Because I'm still getting the same result. Okay, they look very creamy, but they're just not picking up on my brush. So I'm gonna apply it wet and see if that makes a difference. It's pretty, it's just hard to grip, like get this color out of this pan. I'm having a hard time applying this eyeshadow on. I don't know what's wrong with it. Cause like once I get it on the lid, if I can pick it up, it's very pretty. I just don't know what type of formula this is. But it's very pretty once I do get it on, but I didn't toe up this eyeshadow. It's like, you do not see that B imprint no more. Let me see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So when I swatch it, look, it like moves around, but it's not really picking up on the brush like that. Like, it should be covered with this product. See, it picks up like very little. Okay, I had tried 3 different brushes. The one that seemed to work better, the Morphe 124 brush. I call this my favorite like pigment brush. Like, it works really good. So that worked out. I just don't know what type of formula this is, but overall it's still very pretty. It was just kind of tricky, but it's pretty, it's on. We're gonna go with it. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown just to buff out the outer part, which is called mocha. So now that it's blended, I'm going to take a little bit of that black now just to close it off. Alright, so I'll be back with liner and everything on. Foundation and concealer. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Mocha and pop that on the bottom. My dear, yes. So I'm going to take this color right here and I'll apply this inside my inner tear duct color, hoping that it comes out right, because oh, let me show you what I did to the eyeshadow. Like, look what it looks like now compared to the rest. Like, I went in hard with this. It was so hard to pick it up, but we're going to try that frosty color and pop it right in my inner. All right, my love, so this completes the look. I am here for this look. I will say, although this gold eyeshadow was really hard to put on, but now that it's on, you guys, it is such a beautiful eyeshadow. Like, up close, like, it really looks like I have like glitters on my lid, and I don't. So this metallic is on a whole nother level, and it's absolutely beautiful. So I am here for this palette. You guys let me know if you was able to get your hands on this palette. Let me know what is your opinions on this palette, if you guys do have it. And if you guys don't have it, do I feel like this is something you guys need to have in your collection? Yes, because I feel like this is not a boring neutral palette. Like, it's giving you variety of different styles you can do with this palette. You got some smokiness, you can do softer looks using this palette, smokier looks. And then this row right here, y'all, ooh, y'all see the eye? Okay, yes. And then I really love the fact that she added a splash of pink, so it's not just like browns and browns. Like, you have variety of like neutral shades in here. So she did a good job on the color story, and definitely a bomb job on whatever lab she went to, because formulas are so buttery and so easy to blend. Look at my eyes. Look at it, sis. Okay, so everything will be listed down in the description box. Please don't kill me if I don't have it right away, but it'll be listed down in the description box for face details and stuff like that. But yeah, I try my best to fix up this wig too, so hopefully it looks a little bit more vamped and better. I had to flat iron it and then curl it with the flat iron, so you know, it's kind of harder to fix a synthetic wig. Like, it's not like your easy human, no. So hopefully this look good real quick. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed today's makeup look, and of course I'll be back tomorrow with another look or something. I don't know what I have planned for tomorrow, but y'all stay tuned for tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.